Have you ever put on an outfit that should look good, like it's all the basics, everything goes together, but it just feels kind of like boring? Like you look in the mirror and you're like, okay, it's fine, it's okay, but it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. And I feel like this is where a lot of people start to think that getting dressed or looking styled is actually really complicated. Like you need more clothes, or you need the trendiest pieces, or you have to spend way more time putting your outfits together. But honestly, that's not the case at all, okay? Looking put together and styled does not have to be difficult. It's usually just a few small things that you're either adding or that you're just paying attention to when you're getting dressed, or even just like when you're shopping, and that makes all the difference. And once you start noticing those little details, even your most basic outfit like jeans and a basic tee can look really intentional, look really elevated, and just like you actually tried without having to try. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through some really simple ways to make your outfit stand out a little bit more without overthinking it and without overdoing it. So the first way to make your outfits feel just a little bit more styled is playing around with the actual shapes of your clothing. And this is what I like to call choosing your not so basic basics, because I feel like when people hear the word basics, they automatically think of the most like standard version of everything, like a simple regular straight leg jean, a plain fitted tee, just like a simple classic white button up. And there's nothing wrong with these pieces, but if everything you're wearing is very standard, very cut and dry, very simple in shape, that's when your outfit can start to feel boring. So instead, you want to look for basics that have a little bit more shape, a little bit more detail to them. For example, instead of always only reaching for straight leg jeans, you can try like a barrel jean or something a little bit more relaxed or curves. Still neutral, it's still easy to style, but it adds something visually interesting to the outfit. Same thing with your tops. Rather than just a basic tee all the time, you can go for something slightly different, like an asymmetrical top or a top with a unique hemline. Even with button-ups, instead of just a classic fitted one, you can do an oversized button-ups, a cropped version, even like a longer, more relaxed one that you can wear almost like a layering piece. And then there's little details like your balloon sleeves or your tops with that are a little bit more relaxed at the tops and then kind of cinch in at the waist, or just anything with a little bit of volume. Okay, those pieces do a lot of the work for you without you having to think too hard about the outfit. So now, instead of your outfit just being jeans and a top, it feels a little bit more styled because the pieces themselves already have some shape and already look interesting. For example, you could do a pair of barrel leg jeans with a simple fitted tank and some sandals. Super easy, but the shape of the jeans kind of makes it just look a little bit more intentional. Or you could do like a long oversized button up with a pair of straight leg jeans and like a cute shoe. Again, very simple, but it looks put together because of the contrast of the fit. So this is one of the easiest things that you can do. Just start paying attention to the shape of the pieces that you're buying and that you're wearing, because even small changes there can completely transform how your outfit looks without you necessarily having to do anything extra. So the next way to make your outfits feel a little bit more styled is by mixing textures, okay? And honestly, this is one of my favorite tips because it makes such a big difference, especially if you love wearing neutrals or if you just love wearing like really simple outfits. Because in reality, not every outfit is going to feel interesting just based off the shape of the pieces. Like you're not going to wear barrel leg jeans or asymmetrical tops every single day. Sometimes everything is pretty simple, pretty classic, and that's where the texture comes in. Texture is what adds that depth to your outfit. It's what makes something look a little bit more elevated, look a little bit more intentional, without you having to add a bunch of extra pieces. So instead of your outfit being made up of all of the same type of fabric, you can start mixing different ones together. So for example, you could do a knit tank with some cotton bottoms, or linen with denim, or even something like a satin skirt paired with a basic cotton tee. And what I love about this is that you can keep your outfit super minimal, super simple, super neutral if you want to, but it still won't feel boring. Like you could literally be wearing all beige, but because one piece is linen, one piece is knit, maybe your bag has a little bit of texture to it as well, the outfit just looks more interesting without you again having to do too much. It's very subtle, but it still makes a big impact. So if you ever put something on and you're like, okay, this feels a little flat, feels a little boring, a really easy fix is to ask yourself, can you swap one of those pieces for a different texture? Maybe instead of your cotton pants, you go for linen, or instead of your basic tee, you do like a rib knit top. Even small changes like that can completely shift how the outfit looks and just how it feels. And again, this is one of those things where you're not necessarily overthinking your outfit, you're just being a little bit more intentional with the pieces that you're choosing. And that's what's gonna make it look like it's more styled. So the next way to make your outfit feel more styled, and again, one of my favorites, is to let your accessories do the work, okay? And I feel like this is the step that a lot of people either skip or they just like overcomplicate, because accessories don't have to be a lot, but they do make a huge difference. This is what's gonna take your outfit from I just threw this on to, you know, this actually looks put together. So again, if you're wearing something simple, just like jeans and a tee or jeans and a tank, or even just like a simple basic dress, your accessories are what's gonna bring everything together and add that little bit of personality. And there are a few different ways that you can play around with this. First, of course, is your bags. I love me a good handbag. Your bag can completely change the feel of your outfit, whether it's more structured or it's more relaxed, or you're adding a pop of color, or even just a different texture. So even if your outfit, again, is super neutral, super simple, your bag can be the thing that makes it stand out a little bit more. Same thing with jewelry. You don't need a ton, but adding something like a layered necklace, or this, like I have this like charm style necklace, a simple hoop, even mixing metals can make your outfit feel more finished. Again, it's those little details that make it look like you actually styled your outfit instead of just threw something on. Then you also have things like hats and scarves. These are so good for the days where you don't want to think too hard, or even if you're just having a bad hair day and you don't feel like dealing with your hair, dealing with your edges, you can just throw on a hat, add a scarf, and it can instantly make your outfit feel more intentional. You could also use scarf in different ways, like tying it around your bag, wearing it in your hair, or even using it as a belt. That alone can take a really basic outfit and just make it feel more styled. And I think the biggest thing to remember here is that you don't have to do everything at once, okay? You don't need the hat, you don't need the scarf, you don't need the statement earrings, you don't need the boat bags all together in one outfit every single time. Sometimes it's just that one accessory that's gonna pull everything together. So if your outfit starts to feel a little bit plain, instead of changing the whole thing, just try adding one accessory that adds either shape, that adds some color, that adds some texture, because a lot of the time that's all your outfit needs to make it feel complete. So the next way to make your outfit feel a little bit more styled is to play around with color, okay? And I know for a lot of you, especially if you love your neutrals, this can feel a little bit intimidating, because you might be thinking, you know, I don't really want to wear color like that, or I don't want my outfits to feel too loud or feel like I'm trying to be too trendy. But the thing is, you don't have to wear bright, bold colors to make your outfits more interesting if you don't want to. It's really just about being a little bit more intentional about how you're using color in your outfits. So if you are someone who just loves neutrals, an easy place to start is by mixing different neutrals together. Instead of wearing all black all the time or all white, you could do something like a brown top with some cream pants, tan accessories, or even just mixing shades like beige, ivory, soft white. Those little differences in tone is gonna add that dimension in your outfit. And it still is gonna feel very clean, it's still gonna feel very effortless, but it's just not gonna be flat and boring. And then if you do want to bring in a little bit of color, you can keep it really simple if you want to. You don't have to change your whole outfit. You could just add, you know, just one little pop of color. And that could be like your bag, that could be your shoes, or even just like a small like top that you layered under your jacket, or like the jacket itself, layering this colored jacket. So maybe you're wearing a really neutral outfit and then you add a soft blue shirt or green muted bag. It gives the outfit just a little something extra without feeling like it's too much. And I think that's one of the biggest things, is that color doesn't have to be overwhelming, okay? It can be really subtle, it can be really soft, and still make a big difference on how your outfit looks. So again, if your outfits are starting to feel a little repetitive or just a little bit boring, try switching out your color combinations, even within your neutrals, because sometimes that alone is enough to make your outfit feel more styled. Okay, so the next way to make your outfit feel more styled is by adding prints. I love playing around with different prints, okay? And this is one of the easiest ways to add interest in your outfit, because the piece kind of does the work for you, especially if you feel like your outfits are very basic or you just wear a lot of solids. Adding a print can instantly make everything just feel a bit more put together. And I know sometimes print can seem a little bit intimidating because you don't want to feel like you're doing too much, or, you know, just feel like you're doing the most. But it really doesn't have to be like that. You can keep it very simple by just choosing one printed piece and then building your outfit around it with basics. So for example, you could do a pair of striped pants with a simple tank, or a gingham top with some denim. Even something like a leopard skirt with like a really basic tee and sandals. Again, super easy, but it actually looks like you styled the outfit. And really the key here is just choosing prints that align with your style. So if you like more clean, effortless look, then you might gravitate towards stripes, or just, you know, your more softer patterns. And if you want something a little bit more bold, you can do something like leopard or even zebra print, but still keep the rest of the outfit simple. So that way, again, it feels balanced and you don't necessarily feel like you're doing too much. And that's really the trick with prints, okay? You don't have to mix a bunch together or just overcomplicate it, okay? Just let that one piece be the focus. And because you add that, your outfit automatically has more detail, it has more personality, and it just doesn't feel as plain. So if you ever feel like your outfit is missing something, but you don't know what it is, try swapping in a printed piece. It's a really easy way to make your outfit stand out without you having to think too hard about it. So the next way to make your outfits feel more styled is by paying attention to your shoes, okay? Because your shoes can completely change the direction of your outfit. Like the same exact outfit, the same top, the same bottoms can look completely different based on the shoes that you choose. And I feel like, you know, sometimes people don't always think about that. They'll focus on the outfit itself and then just throw on whatever shoes are in their closet. But your shoes are really what pull everything together. For example, if you're wearing something simple like jeans and a tee, if you pair that with sneakers, it's gonna feel more casual, it's gonna feel more laid back. If you switch that out for a ballet flat, instantly it's gonna feel just a little bit more feminine and just more put together, more girly. If you do something like a heeled sandal, now it feels more dressed up. Again, same outfit, just different shoes, and it completely changes the vibe. And you can also use your shoes to add a little bit more interest to your outfit. So instead of always going for the same basic shoe options, you can play around with different textures, like some mesh flats, some jelly sandals, even like denim shoes. Those little details can really make your outfit feel more styled. You can also use your shoes to add a pop of color. So if your outfit is really neutral, or your outfit is just really simple, your shoes can be that one piece that stands out and just adds a little bit something extra to your outfit. And I also love styles like the ballet sneakers right now, because they're a good mix of feminine and casual that make your outfit feel styled, but they're still wearable for every day. So if your outfit ever feels like it's missing something, or it's just not coming together in the way that you want it to, look at your shoes, okay? Because sometimes you don't need to change the whole outfit, you just need to switch out your shoes. And that alone can like change the whole outfit and make everything look more styled, look more intentional, and just look more put together. Okay, so the last tip, and honestly the thing that's gonna really put all of this together, is to just add one intentional detail to your outfit, okay? Because making your outfit feel styled, again, does not have to be complicated. You definitely don't have to do every single one of these tips for every single outfit. You don't need to have the perfect silhouette, the mixed textures, the accessories, the color, the prints, all the time. That's when it can start to feel like it's too much, when you're trying to do everything for every single outfit every single day. Instead, all you really need is that one intentional details, something small that makes it look like you actually thought about your outfit. And that intentional detail could be any of the tips that we talked about in this video. It could be the shape of your jeans, it could be the texture of your top, it could be your shoes, it could be your bag, it could be even something simpler like how you're wearing your clothes. Something like doing a little half tuck or a front tuck, or even just, you know, rolling up your sleeves, adding a layered necklace, or just throwing on a belt to define your shape a little bit more. These small adjustments might seem minor, but they really make a difference in how your outfit comes across. It takes it from just being an outfit and something that feels styled and that feels put together. So the next time you're getting dressed, instead of overthinking everything, okay, just ask yourself, what's one small thing that I can do to make this feel a little bit more intentional? And then just start there, okay? Because most of the time, that's all you need. And that's it, y'all, okay? This is my go-to ways to make even your simplest outfits feel more styled without overthinking it and without overdoing it, okay? Remember, looking put together does not have to be complicated. Most of the time, it's just about paying attention to the small details, whether it's the shape of your clothing, whether it's mixing textures, whether it's adding a pop of color or just that one intentional detail that's gonna pull everything together. So the next time that you get dressed, pick one or two of these tips and see how much it changes your outfit. You'll be surprised how effortless your looks can start to feel when you start to pay attention and just notice the little things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to hype it up, comment, let me know which tip you'd love to hear first, subscribe, share with a friend. In my next video, or I don't know if it'll be the next video, but a video coming up, I do want to do a video on kind of like how my personal style has evolved, because I literally use all the tips I just shared. I didn't do everything all at once, so I want to share a video on kind of just like how I figured out my personal style, how it has changed, how I use all of the tips in my everyday life, just to give you like some real examples, or like a real example from me as a person. So let me know if you'll be interested in a video like that. I'll plan on filming it anyway, so it'll be coming up soon. I don't know if it'll be the next video like I said, or just 2 or 3 videos from now. Let me know if you guys want to see that though. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.